If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Yahoo Mail, this guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Follow these steps to manage your subscriptions and prevent unwanted payments. Step 1. Sign into your Yahoo account. Visit the Yahoo Mail website and log in using your email address and password. Ensure you are using the account associated with the recurring charges you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu, then select more settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to subscriptions. In the settings menu, find and click on the subscriptions tab. This section will display all active subscriptions linked to your Yahoo account, including any premium services you may have signed up for. Step 4. Review your subscriptions. Take a moment to review the list of subscriptions. Identify the ones you wish to cancel. Each subscription will typically have details about the billing cycle and the amount charged. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshro.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop recurring charges on your Yahoo Mail account. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo customer support for assistance.